Hey guys, in today's video, I thought that it would be fun to share what's on my iPhone and share with you what I consider are the top iPhone apps for business owners. I use a lot of tools in my business, but these are the ones that I'm specifically accessing and using on my phone on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to dive into the list in just a second, but if you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of solopreneursidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week, all designed to help you create a successful online business. So if that is something you're in the process of doing, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that bell icon as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's chat apps. The first one is Slack. Slack is a communication tool that allows you to easily have conversations with your team in a messenger style inbox. With Slack, I really like that all of your conversations related to business are in one place. So you're not sending your team emails and then messaging them on Facebook. It's all in one place dedicated to business. Then on top of this, you also have a lot of options in terms of organizing your conversations, integrating with other tools, as well as searching conversations quickly and easily anytime you need to refer back to a previous conversation. So Slack is where we keep all of our conversations happening. The one exception to this rule is Voxer, which allows you to quickly and easily send voice notes, as it's much faster to just pick up your phone and send a quick voice note rather than having to type it out. Also, as the listener, you can listen to messages at 2x speed. So overall, just a very speedy way of getting your message across. We did try to figure out a way to send audio messages in Slack, but we weren't happy with any of the options that we found. So if you have a suggestion for us, please let us know in the comments below. But at this time, we're using Slack and occasionally Voxer if we need to explain something with our voice. The next favorite app on my phone is Asana. Asana is a project management tool that, if you've watched my recent videos, you know I'm obsessed with. So this one is going to be your to-do list, your calendar, all in one, and it's going to keep your entire business life on track. So if you haven't yet, definitely make sure that you download Asana. I can easily open up my phone, see what it is that I need to do that day, and check it off as I go. So this is what I attribute to any form of organization or productivity in my life. The next one is one for education, and that is the podcast app. Anytime that I'm driving or going for a walk, I will also put in a podcast so that I can learn on the go. There's so much you can learn while on the go, and I always feel so motivated and inspired after listening to a podcast. The next app that I love oh so much is called Teza. This is the app that I'm using to edit all of my photos that you see me posting on Instagram. Side note, if you're not following me there, come over and follow me at solopreneursidekick. But yeah, this is a photo editing tool that will make your photos look so much better. The filters are just way better than what you find within the app on Instagram, so definitely give this one a try. And finally, the last one is related to Instagram as well, and that is Plan. Plan allows me to do quite a few helpful things when it comes to Instagram. The first is that it lets me plan out my feed ahead of time. The second is that it actually sends me a notification when it's time to post so that I never forget to actually post on Instagram, which I totally would if I didn't have these notifications set. And finally, it also allows me to add spaces in my Instagram captions. I actually have a video on this, so I'll make sure to link that for you below. But yeah, planning out your social media ahead of time is a great way to actually stay consistent. So for this reason, I use Plan. All right, guys, so those are the iPhone apps on my phone that I'm using most often for business purposes. I hope that you found this list helpful and that you find a few new apps that you love from this list. And if you like this video, let me know by leaving me a comment down below, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!